welcome to another Card Obsessions. For those of you who are new to my channel, that's where I do my monthly favorites. I just call it Card Obsessions because it sounds more exciting that way. It's been a while since I've done one. I know you guys know that I kind of fell off the planet for a few months. There was a lot of stuff happen. If you want to find out what, check my previous video, which you can link out right here. But anyways, I haven't got to show you guys some of my favorite things. So I have a lot to show you today. So make sure you grab a drink and some popcorn or the snack of your choice because I got a lot of shiznit to show you guys. And yes, at the end, I do have my very funky item. If you guys know, every time I do a current obsession, at the very end, the last product is something funky and totally unexpected. Now, I will say today's item is especially unexpected, and if you have children in the room, don't let them watch the end. That's all I'm going to say. Okay. Let's start first with food, because who doesn't love food first? So I have a few food items that I want to show you guys. So my friend Dallas, hi Dallas. He does cooking. Oh my God. He makes the best cinnamon rolls. Him and Day cook and bake. One of these days, I'm going to show you guys on camera these cinnamon rolls. People lose their shit over these. They're the best cinnamon rolls. They make Cinnabon look like garbage, like canned garbage. These are so good. So anyways, he told me about this seasoning. It is by the brand Goya, and it is called Sazon. Sazon. But basically it's these packets of seasoning that you can put in your rice. So if you're in a hurry or you need something that's quick and easy to cook, you can just make some plain rice and then put some sazon in there with some diced tomatoes, some canned beans, some fresh vegetables, anything that you want. You can make like a stir-fried rice, but then you put the sazon in there and it gives us this nice rich flavor and color to the rice. It's so delicious and so easy. So thank you, Dallas, for sharing that with me. It's really good, you guys. So I have that in my pantry at all times now. You can get it. Where did you get it, Dallas?
Vallara. El Ponte Vallarta.
Oh, Vallarta. Okay, I'm not good at speaking other languages. You guys know that. You can get it at most Spanish stores. Yes. Anyways, okay, back to cookies and food. So you guys know I do gluten-free, but I have a very bad sweet tooth. I've given up at this point in my life. I'm 38 years old. I've given up trying to get rid of the sweet tooth. So what I do is try to tame it by getting maybe healthy-ish options for sweets. So I get these gluten-free cookies that are by Pamela's. You can get these at Whole Foods. Most grocery stores have them, but they're these pecan shortbreads. Oh my gosh, they're so good. So what I do, if I have a sweet tooth, I'll get a cookie and my cup of coffee at night, and I sit there with my coffee and I dip my pecan shortbread cookie in there and I eat it. Oh, it's so good, you guys. Very delicious. It is... That calorie count is a little high for one cookie. It's 130 because there's a lot of like stuff in there. Pecans are not low calorie, but they are delicious though. So, and they're gluten free. So anyways, they're pecan shortbread by Pamela's. That's my favorite goodie for now. And then for breakfast, what I do is I get, I have a slice of toast with some almond butter on it. And I love the Justin one, the vanilla flavored. They have plain if you want the plain one, maple, vanilla. They have all sorts of flavors. They even come in these little packets, which I throw in my purse. I always have one of these in my purse because I travel. I'm at a lot of meetings. I don't have time to eat regularly, so I'll pull out these bad boys, have it as a snack. It's great protein. It fills me up. It's so good. But what I was going to show you guys, what I do for breakfast is I have a slice of gluten-free cinnamon raisin bread. My favorite brand is by Canyon Bakehouse, and I'll link to it below so you guys can check it out. They have them at Target. Whole Foods doesn't have it, but I get mine on Amazon now, and they just have it delivered. But Canyon Bakehouse has this gluten-free raisin bread. What I do is I take some of the vanilla almond butter, I toast this, put it on there, and then slice banana on top. It is so delicious, you guys. It's a great snack. It's a good breakfast. It's really filling. It's hearty. It is so good. Trust me, just try it. Raisin bread, almond butter, sliced banana. If you want to go fancy, you could put a little drizzle of honey on top. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So you guys have to try that. But you can get all this stuff on Amazon or Whole Foods or any grocery store. I'll link to it below. So that is the food stuff. Let's go on to some of the makeup and skincare. So makeup-wise right now, actually, the foundation that I am loving, you guys, this is so good. And you know I'm very particular on my foundations. When I find one, I am ride or die. You know I love my Estee Lauder Double Wear. I love the Armani one. But right now, the one I'm obsessed with, so good, is the Dermablend Flawless Creator. So basically, it's these drops, and I'm wearing it right now. I don't know, does my skin look dry at all? Can you guys tell? It's this super saturated, highly pigmented liquid It comes in a dropper form. I don't like the packaging, I will be honest with that, but it has these liquid drops here. And what you do is I put it on my hand, I take a brush, like a rounded buffer brush, I dip it in and I just buff it onto the skin. It is so highly pigmented, you only need a couple drops and it will cover your entire skin. And because it is so highly pigmented, you need just a little bit so it doesn't make your skin look cakey or heavy at all. I swear by it. And the color selection, it's not bad. I wish they would have more of a wide range, but the colors they do have are very neutral. They're not too orange. They're not too like gray tinted. They're not too pink. They actually look like skin, which I love. So I think they did an amazing job with it. I got mine at Namie's here in LA, but I think they have them at Ulta as well. So check that out. So it's the Dermablend Flawless Creator. And then the other face product that I'm wearing right now, I'm obsessed with, is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Liquid. It's a really good liquid creamy type highlighter. And what I do is I put it on the back of my hand like this, and I'll take a beauty blender or my fingers and I'll just dab it on top of the cheekbone. And it gives you a nice highlighted look, but because it's cream and it's not powder, it doesn't sit on the skin. It kind of blends into it. Does that show a difference on camera? Little bit. Okay, so I love that highlighter. I got it at Sephora. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I will list it for you guys. Let me put it on the back of my hands. Ooh, shiny, silky, shimmering hands. So fancy. And then what else do I have? Oh, Jody got this for me. Hi, Jody. So she gave me this gift of Cover FX Shimmer Veil. It's this liquid highlighter for the eyes. It is so beautiful. Let me show you guys a little swatchy of that. But they have all these different colors. She got me the more pink tinted one. Look how beautiful that is. So it looks great on the eyes. What I do is I just dab it onto the eyes, pat it on after I do my blending in the crease and everything. And it just gives you a beautiful sheen to the eyes. You can even put some on your cheeks if you want. Same thing, you can just put it on your back of your hand and then just dab it on. I'm gonna look really highlighted by the end of this video, guys. So I love that. I don't know how much it is because, oh, thank you. Thanks, Dallas. I don't know how much it is because she gave it to me, so I'll look it up again. Check the links below. I'll post everything down there for you guys. And then for an inexpensive item, I got this at, I think Target or Ulta. But NYX has these vivid bright cream colors. I'm sure these have been out for a while, but I love them. They're almost like a cream shadow, but they're super highly pigmented. I love this burgundy one. Look at that. Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to flip you guys off. Jeez, I was like, hey, you want to look? So they have all these different colors. They have a burgundy, a purple, blue. They have gorgeous colors, and I like to put them on as a base. So when I put my shadow on top, it's even more saturated. Or you can use it on its own if you want a very nice, just blended, soft, creamy look. These are amazing, and they're super inexpensive. I think it was like $7 or $8, but they're the NYX Vivid Brights. So, hold on, let me wipe that off. Damn, that is pigmented. Look at that. Whoa! Yes! All right, now for skincare, I absolutely love the Burt's Bees Intense Hydration. This is a creamy cleanser. I was traveling and I ran out of cleanser and I ran into the drugstore. I went to CVS and I was like, oh, I need a cleanser. So I tried this one. This is so amazing. It's probably one of my favorite cleansers right now. And I have all these like high-end cleansers, mid-range ones, and I always seem to go back to the Burt's Bees ones. It's inexpensive. You can get it at most drugstores. It smells so good. It smells really fresh and clean. And because it's a creamy type cleanser, it hydrates my skin. It doesn't strip it of any of its natural oils. Wait, I got a lash going in. Technical difficulties there. There we go. Because it's nice and creamy, it leaves my skin really hydrated and soft, but it still cleanses everything off really well. I love this cleanser. I think, honestly, this is going to be my go-to from here on out because it just works great. Super inexpensive. I think it was like maybe $11 or $12 or so, but I'll link to that below. So it's the Burt's Bees Intense Hydration Creamy Cleanser. Da, 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 da. All right. The other thing that I have is the my favorite scent right now. Oh, and I have one tool, which looks kind of sketch, but I'll show you guys. For those of you who have dirty minds, yes, we're going to go there. I have a nice hair tool that I absolutely love. It is the Numi one. It's the 5-in-1, so it comes with different attachments. It's really cool. I don't remember how much this cost because I got it a while ago, but that's what I used to do my hair today. It's a 1.5-inch rod, and you can switch it out for different attachments. So all you have to do is twist it here, and pull it out, and you have different attachments that you can put in. So they have like a spiral wand one, they have smaller rods, they have the more pointy ones, they have all sorts of stuff that you connect in, and it's really cool because then you can have just one base, put it in, and then lock it, and then you have a different hair tool for each set. So it's really cool for travel. I love this a lot, the 5-in-1. I'll link to below for you guys because I don't remember the price. I think it was a little bit more expensive, but still totally worth it. Love this a lot. I've been using it for quite a while now. And then my favorite scent right now, my mom actually got this for Christmas. Hi, Mom. I feel like I'm giving everyone a shout out today. So it's the new scent by Chanel. Have you guys tried this yet? The Gabrielle one? Oh, it's so beautiful. You have this one too, don't you, Anne? You like it? It smells so good. How would you describe it? What does it smell like? It's like fresh and has like a slight floral scent, but not like grandma's floral, you know, like grandma smells like roses and like, I don't know.
It's like a smoky floral.
Yeah, like smoky floral. It's like a sexy floral. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's really fresh. It's not overbearing. It doesn't smell like grandma's closet, but it still has that floral scent. It's amazing. You guys have to try it out. I don't know where Mom got this for me, but she got it for Christmas. So I think they sell it at Macy's, most department stores, but it's the Gabrielle scent by Chanel. Love that so much. Okay. So now for my last item, you guys know it's funky. Now I did give a disclaimer at the beginning of this video. It is not children appropriate, and please don't judge because you all know we all do fun stuff with our partners. It's just part of life. It's natural, guys. It's natural. But there's some things you can have and use that make it more exciting and fun. So I have what I like to call the Liberator. The Liberator. It explains itself. It comes with instructions with it, which I'm not going to show because I'd like to keep it rated G here on my channel. So when you get this, I got it from Amazon. It's $50, and yes, it is called the Liberator. I'm going to show it to you. I'm not going to explain it to details because you guys have to figure it out, and it gives you instructions anyways. But it's a wedge pillow like this. It comes with a wipeable plastic sleeve. Not going to say why, but it comes in handy. So you can take the sleeve off, you can wash it, you can wipe it down, and then it comes with another protector on top, which is a nice felt one that you can throw on the washer. So the Liberator has lots of positions you can use. They're all fun. Just going to say that. For $50, you can have a lot of fun at night. That's all I'm going to say. I told you guys, I went there. I told you I was going to give you a funky item, but you're going to thank me for this later. Everyone I know, and will tell you, every one of my friends, I was like, have you guys tried the Liberator? They're like, no, I haven't tried it. I was like, you haven't tried the Liberator? You can get it on Amazon. It's $50. They ship it right to your house. It's discreet when you get it. You pull it out. The instructions are not discreet. I mean, they're pretty good instructions, but it works so good. I'm telling you guys, you will have a lot of fun with this. It makes things very exciting. So that's all I'm going to say. Just try it out. Go to Amazon. $50. It's called the Liberator. They have all sorts of sizes, but this wedge one, it's nice and rounded. There's no sharp corners. There's no injuries involved with this fun product. That's all I'm going to say. That's the funky item for today. I'm sorry, I did go there. So anyways, you guys, I hope you have fun with Current Obsessions. Come back next month. I will find something more funky. You guys know I'll always find something funky. When I thought of the one for this month, I was like, do I have anything funky? I went in the bedroom. I was like, I do. I have something funky. So anyways, you guys, thanks for watching and putting up with me. I hope this was fun for you. Don't forget to subscribe on the link below, and I will see you guys next month for another Current Obsessions. Bye.